welcome everybody. I'm Miss Jill, elementary programmer for neighborhood services for Gail Borden Public Library. And today we're gonna have some fun outside, creating this foamy feast for your eyes that looks like toothpaste that is big enough an elephant can use. And look at, I brought my elephant with me with his empty toothbrush. He is ready to brush his teeth. Well, here's what we need for our elephant toothpaste today. You need dish soap, you need active yeast and warm water, which I've already mixed together. You need a funnel, you need some food coloring. I have a beaker, but you could use a pop bottle and a funnel. All right, so let's get started. Oh, I want to give you a word of warning here. Our hydrogen peroxide is 40 volume. It's found at a beauty supply store. And due to the higher concentration of what is available in the drugstore, it will absolutely irritate or even burn the skin. So that's why adults with gloves should only handle this product. Another safety tip, this is an eyes only experiment. So I don't want anyone to be touching the foam when it comes out because the chemical will be hot from the reaction. So we're gonna wait till it cools down and you can have an adult, I guess I'm the adult here, who will be cleaning it up when it's all finished. All right, let's make this toothpaste. We're gonna start with our beaker and I'm going to add some dish soap to the bottom. And to that dish soap, I'm going to add our special hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to use my funnel to make sure it gets in there safely. All right. Swish that around. Okay. And then we're going to add the yeast. But I first want to tell you about some important words to understand this foamy experiment. Catalyst is an element that speeds up a reaction. And the other big word to understand with our experiment today is the word exothermic, which is an act of releasing heat. So actually hydrogen peroxide is very similar to water by having one additional oxygen atom. When the yeast is added to the hydrogen peroxide, it will act as a catalyst, releasing oxygen quickly. And from the oxygen and water that's left behind, the dish soap traps that oxygen, and the result is the elephant toothpaste or the foam that you're going to see. So, due to the heat, remember the bottle will be warm, so don't touch that. All right, now we're gonna get this experiment rolling. I'm gonna add a couple of drops of food coloring. I'm gonna add a little red and blue. What do you think that color makes, friends? Well, I think if you said purple, you would be right. All right. Here we go. I'll put my funnel on and it's time for our liquid yeast to be carefully added to the funnel. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Set it there and it's rising to the top. This is the best part. I love this. Here it goes. Right over the top. That's what we're looking for. And this will just go on and it's just fun to watch. Isn't that cool? All right, well, I want to just say from your library at home, we're so glad you tuned in to watch us today. Please come back for our 2 o'clock and our 7 o'clock programs. Remember to use your e-library program, which is running 24/7. And I discovered all these great science experiments with ebooks on Hoopla. Who knew? It's awesome. Give it a try. Well, thank you for joining me making some elephant toothpaste today. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.